Hello, and welcome to HealthCheck User Help video number 6, Adding an Existing Child Account. This video is part 6 of a multi-part series intended to help walk a normal user through using HealthCheck to gain access to a location. First, and most importantly, HealthCheck requires internet access to submit health checks. This will allow your web browser or mobile application to provide your real-time survey results to the location for which you are submitting a health check. HealthCheck never shares your answers to the survey questions with the administrators, but rather only the results, ensuring the location is safe while your personal information is protected. As the workplace, school, and after-school programs begin to adapt to our new normal, screening takes a front seat in location safety. When coupled with today's family dynamic, ensuring children arrive at school, dance class, or basketball practice on time and with the right survey being performed becomes exponentially more difficult. HealthCheck allows a single child to be shared with multiple parents, grandparents, or anyone that may be responsible for making sure your child can participate safely in school or an event. This video will use 2 accounts and demonstrate how to share the child's record between those 2 accounts. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm logged in to the browser application available at https://healthcheck.stratumhealth.io. I'm logged in as HealthCheck standard user, and if I just click on my icon on the upper right hand side and go to my profile, you can see that I do have a children's section where I have 2 children named HealthCheck Child User 1 and HealthCheck Child User 2. Child User 2 is at a middle school and Child User 1 is at an elementary school. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the 3 buttons next to the user account that click on Share Profile. You'll see you do get a QR code. This code can be scanned using the mobile application to add the child directly into the account. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to use Copy Child ID, which it copies an ID to a clipboard that you can then send via email or via text and go ahead and share that information. Now that I've shared that information, I'm going to go ahead and log out as this user and log in as the other user that I've created called hcchilduser@gmail.com. Enter my password. Oh, and make sure I try and do it right. And you can see that I'm now logged in as HealthCheck Child User. When I click on my profile here, you'll see I have no children identified. I can go ahead and just click on Add a Child, and you'll see I have a choice to add a profile by ID, which I'm going to do, or I can, as we did in a previous video, create a new profile. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to add a profile by ID, and since this computer, I'm doing this on a computer, does not have a camera, it asks for the child ID. I'm going to go ahead and copy or paste what I've copied in, and you can see it's a really long child profile, and then just go ahead and click Add. You'll see that I've now registered Child User 2. I click on OK, and now HealthCheck Child User has HealthCheck Child User 2. I can do the same thing now for the other child, which is, I'm going to log in again as standard user with my password. And I'm going to just go ahead and click on the child for Child User 1 by going to my profile, clicking on Children, and then hitting the 3 dots next to the child account and clicking on Share Profile. Again, the QR code can be scanned using the mobile application, and you would add that child account directly, or you can click on Copy Child ID. For the purposes of this demonstration, that's what we're going to go ahead and do. We're then going to go to the other user account, and I'm going to enter in my password. And now I'm going to go ahead to my profile, I'm going to click on Add Child, and I'm going to again add profile by ID, provide that ID, and click Add. And now I've added HealthCheck Child User 1. To confirm that that's the case, it does automatically open to the Children's tab, and you can see I now have HealthCheck Child User 1 and HealthCheck Child User 2 available to HealthCheck Child User. Thank you for watching video number 6 in this HealthCheck User Help video series. As always, we are always able to assist you by sending an email to support@stratumhealth.io or by visiting our support website at https://support.stratumhealth.io. Thank you and have a good day.